What's up, math scholars and math haters? This is Mr. W. Today we're going to tackle question 11 in the third grade math questions that North Carolina released this past school year. The question tells us that Sam's goal is to walk 36 miles. He's walked 4 miles each day and has walked for 6 days, and we're trying to find an equation that we can use to find how many more miles Sam still needs to walk to reach his goal. Now, the skills that this problem is testing are how to translate a problem and also the bare basics of equations. So let's start with that translating idea. I'm going to find this word each, and I'm going to remind myself that if I see each, every, or per, that always translates to multiplying. So I know I'm going to have to multiply something, and since this is a certain number of miles each day, I'll have to multiply my miles by my days. And if it says 4 miles each day for 6 days, well, I'm sure you can guess what I'm multiplying then. That's 4 times 6. Now, those of you who know your times tables might think, oh, that's 24. But I'm actually not going to go ahead and solve this yet because I can see that my answer choices all have just 3 times 5 or 4 times 6 or 9 times 4. Oh, but I can look and see that 4 times 6 has to be part of my answer, so choice A and choice D are out. But either way, I'm not going to actually say that this is 24 just yet, because I might need to, I might not. Let's finish the problem and be sure. And now, I'm looking for which equation can be used to find how many more miles N Sam still needs to walk to reach his goal. When I see more is a keyword that tells me that I'm adding something. And specifically, I'll have to go ahead and set up one of these parts and whole diagrams again, because Sam has a goal, and he has walked a certain number of miles, but he does need to walk some more miles. So we would say that how far he's already walked plus how many more miles he has to walk is going to equal his goal. So if I can translate that into a math sentence, block that off, the amount that he's already walked is 4 times 6. The more is what we don't know. Since it says how many more miles N, I'll say that 4 times 6 plus N, and then this equals his goal, the whole thing, the goal of 36 miles that Sam wants to walk. So this gives me this equation, 4 times 6 plus N equals 36, and that matches choice B.